Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to create website AI. Start by defining the product goal and user tasks, then inventory data sources and design a simple architecture that supports real-time inference. Choose a lightweight model, set up data pipelines, and create an API layer to serve predictions. Implement basic monitoring, logging, and user feedback loops. Iterate quickly and prioritize privacy and security to protect user data and trust. Gather and clean your data, then label examples that reflect real user inputs and edge cases. Split data into training, validation, and test sets, and choose a model size that matches latency goals. Fine-tune with domain examples, use augmentation when needed, and validate performance using clear metrics. Deploy a canary version, measure live feedback, and retrain on mislabeled or harmful outputs to continuously improve safety and accuracy for users today. Integrate the AI via a well-documented API that returns deterministic results where possible and probabilistic ones when needed. Design UI affordances that explain suggestions and allow easy correction, showing confidence scores and provenance when useful. Optimize inference with batching, caching, and model distillation to meet budget and latency targets. Build rollback mechanisms for regressions and execute regular audits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.